What? Oh, the cat. Yeah.
Let us know that they try to keep you this time of night quiet.
Dude, Rocket is a weirdo, dude.
Yeah. Like I guess look at we live with.
Well, I mean, shit, dude. I did find that cat in the goddamn wash when he was like a month old, man. Like,
Well, you know, man, I'm not a perfect person who just look at it, take after
hey, fuck it, dude. Like, whatever.
Well, you know what? It's a good thing though. He doesn't let nobody fuck with him. That's a good thing.
Especially beating up a little dog and shit. Like,
He doesn't take. That's a good thing, man. You don't take no shit for nobody. That's a good thing. You learn from the best. You don't take no shit from nobody, man.
man, my cat's a scrapper, dude.
Oh, wow, we can be a scout. I'm not gonna believe it. Rocket, no, I don't know, but I don't put your cat down.
I don't have cats. I only have Rocket over here, man.
Oh, he's just a scrapper, dude.
Yeah, my cat's a scrapper, man. That damn cat
Well,
goes.
he's a middle cat, boy. We can piss him off, boy. It's
Oh,
hard,
yeah.
dude.
Yeah, he'll walk over to you and just like want you to pet him, and then a minute later he'll just get violent and start biting and scratching the shit out of you. Like, then he'll get up and walk away. Like,
He won't. He'll fuck with you first.
yeah, like I said, that cat's a damn scrapper, dude. Like, shit. That cat don't mess around, man. Damn, the cat will bite your face off.
Be nice to 1 minute, and next minute, he fucking, you know.
Yeah, he'll walk over to you to get the attention, and then he comes over and freaking bites your face off. I'm gonna tell you what, I want a camper shell on the back of that truck, but
It's just like the blue one I bought for Mike.
oh yeah, Uncle Mike, yeah.
That blue one.
Oh yeah, the 88 with the 2.9 V6 and the 5-speed. Oh dude, that thing was badass for being a square body like that, man. It was a 4-wheel drive and shit, and you know.
Nice, the camera show on it.
Oh yeah, dude, you put the camper on the back of that damn thing, and then you know, whatever, and then. But the only problem is you have to take it off every damn time you wanted to go riding.
Yeah.
Which that was a bitch, because you had to have 2 people to take this son of a bitch off. I wanted a camper shell for this thing, and then the little 4x8 trailer I have from Harbor Freight with the 4-foot walls on it, I want to take take the wood off of it and make it into a nice little dirt bike trailer, man. Like,
It's a nice little trailer you have on. What I wanted to do was, that's how I never did. I had the camera show kept on there.
yeah,
Back trailer, all your bikes.
yeah,
And then you got both sides, you got the wheels.
yeah,
Both sides, the little board there,
yeah.
the little sleeping thing with the sleeping bag on it.
Oh yeah, put like a platform in there.
Yeah, both sides.
Yeah, to where you have like a raised bed to where he's sleeping. Oh yeah, you just have it going across and you just and then you can you have storage underneath it to where you can store your tools and shit underneath it. Yeah.
Single camping. We never did.
People are gonna watch this goddamn video I'm making of this fire and think that it's fucking boring. It's boring as hell, and we just talk about the most stupid shit. What? Hey, it's the Minion Moto Show. What do you expect, bro? We just sit here and enjoy ourselves.
Might be bored, I'll have a good time. Might be bored, but I'll have a good time though.
I don't give a damn if like it's not boring to me. I'm just sitting here relaxing, man. Like, I can't be out there ripping it up in the desert every 2 seconds, and you know, gotta sit back and relax a little bit once in a while. Except when it's
Let's go with kick back, have fire, kick back. Cool. You know, people would do a kick back.
no. The problem is it's 103 right now and 48% humidity, and we're out here having a fire, and that's the problem. Like, I mean, shit, dude, that thunderstorm that happened 2 days ago was nice, but gosh damn, dude, like,
Oh shit! Man, that was so fucking nice. That morning, man, it was so nice and cool.
Yeah, but after it stopped raining, it was hotter, like humid as shit, man. Like, damn, bro. Like, felt great when the rain was coming down, but, you know. But anyways, you know how it is.
Yeah.